Hello everyone, so today I have my Boxycharm. This is my Boxyluxe. It's huge and I'm so excited for it. I've tried really hard to not look at any like sneak peeks and things like that, so I only know a few of the things that are in here and I cannot wait to crack on and see what I got. So something special in this video today, I'm going to do my very first giveaway. I mean, it's nothing like crazy and extravagant or anything like that, but I do have a few items that I want to do my first giveaway with, so watch till the end of this video and I'll have all the information and what you'll be winning in there. Plus, if there's any items in here that I don't think that I'll get any use out of, I'll also throw that in today's giveaway. So I'm super excited to do that. So yeah, also look in the description box below and there'll be more information on the giveaway down there. Sorry if there's a bunch of noise throughout this video. My husband's currently in the attic and my 3-year-old is doing whatever. So there's probably lots of noise, so I apologize, but I really wanted to crack on in here and see what I got. Before we get started, if you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also ring that notification bell so that you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see what I got in the December Boxyluxe box, then just keep watching. Okay, so if you guys aren't familiar with Boxyluxe, it's like Boxycharm's big sister basically, where Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. This is a quarterly, so every 3 months we get a Boxyluxe box, which is bigger, has more items. It does cost more, so you're paying $49.99 or like $50, something like that, for the Boxyluxe box. And then monthly you get your Boxycharm for $21. So the months where you get your Boxyluxe, you don't get your Boxycharm, like the regular Boxycharm, you just get Boxyluxe. So this is the second time I've gotten it, and I will link in the description box below my very first Boxyluxe unboxing, so if you want to check that out, you can. So each month you're going to get a little pamphlet. Obviously this one is like huge compared to what we normally get. And the theme for this box is "'Tis the season." Wait, "'tis the..." Oh, see sun, like sun, see sun, beachy, Christmassy theme, and has all the products that you get in the box plus the retail value, which I think is really nice because I like to know how much the products cost. And then you also have some coupon codes on the back. I'll be sure to link those down in the description box as well so that you guys can, if you want a coupon code, you can have one. So I'm just going to pull the first thing that I'm seeing, which is this. Ooh, it's a Luxie brush set, and I'm super excited. You do get Luxie brushes quite often in Boxycharm. I don't mind because I actually really like them. So it comes with a round top blender, a tapered highlighting, a pro precision tapered blending, eye shading, flat defining, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. You're getting 8 brushes in here, which is pretty awesome, and it retails for $65. So yeah, so there is the first item. I think it's super pretty. I do love Luxie brushes. I think they're really nice and pretty good quality, so I'm excited for these. Okay, the next thing I'm going to pull out, this is the Spongile. I don't know exactly how to say that, but it's the Blossom Bliss Body Wash Infused Buffer. So it's just like this little spongy thing. It smells pretty good actually. And this retails for $20. So what I'm assuming you do is just like get it wet in the shower and then wash yourself with it, basically. It says it cleanses, exfoliates, and massages and nourishes. So that's actually pretty cool. I've never tried anything like this, so, you know, throw it in my shower and give it a try. It smells really good, so yeah, I'm excited for that. Seems pretty cool. The next thing I'm going to pull out is this guy. Oh, this is the straightener. This is cool. I was actually hoping that I would get this, so I'm pretty happy about it. So it's like a little mini straightener, and it comes in this cool case, like a little traveling case. Oh my gosh, this thing is tiny. Look how small that is. It would take me forever to straighten all of my hair with this, but you know, going out of town or you got like little hairs that you gotta get, maybe that would work, and I think the color's really cute too. So this retails for, really? This says this is $75. That is crazy. I mean, it's pretty cute. It's from the brand PYT. I have a really hard time. This retails for $75 because that's just insane. My like big straightener didn't even cost that much. I spent like $20 on it off Amazon. But you know, you can obviously see how many like little baby hairs I have, so maybe this will do wonders for it. We shall see. Test it out, give it a try, but I do think that it's really cool that it comes in this case. You can like put it on up in there and wind it all up, and there you go. Pretty neat, pretty cool, travel friendly. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out, this is the LMS Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So it says it's an anti-wrinkle day cream for fine lines and wrinkles, firms, smooths, and hydrates. Ooh, it has a really nice smell to it too. I actually really like that. And oh my gosh, this stuff is expensive. This says this is $89. That's insane. So it says that it's clinically proven to reduce the appearance of wrinkles. This is everything your skincare routine has been missing. A potent cocktail of seaweeds has been blended with ginkgo biloba, if I'm saying that right, rose and mimosa to moisturize and visibly improve fine lines. It's the ultimate anti-aging cream. It'll leave your skin feeling supple, firm, and radiant. So that's pretty nice. I mean, I would like to think that at my 25 years of age, I don't have a lot of wrinkles. Hopefully. But I still think that it would be nice to use and see how it works as a skin benefit thing to my skincare routine. It smells nice, but I definitely think that I'll give this a go and try it out and see how I like it. Maybe use it at night before I go to bed or whatever the case may be. But I'm actually really looking forward to using it and seeing if I notice a difference with my skin or not. So I'm excited for it. The next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Lorac Pro Lash Pomade. I have no idea what this is, so we're gonna check it out. So it increases thickness, shine, curl, and length to your lashes. It's a unique formula. It's smudge-proof, flake-proof, and glides onto your lashes easily with the help of a custom curve blend. So I'm assuming this is mascara. Yeah, it's a mascara. It retails for $24. I'm not going to open it because I hate opening my mascaras and then they dry out, and I've already got some open and I don't want it to dry out before I even get a chance to use it. So I'm going to hang on to this, or you know what? I'm not going to open it, but I think what I'm going to do is throw this in the giveaway because I have so many mascaras that I haven't even opened yet and I'm never going to run out of them. So I am not going to open it. I am going to throw it in the giveaway for you guys at the end of the video. So I will hold on to this for you guys. And the next thing I'm pulling out, this is the Tarte Tarteist Shimmering Lip Paint. And this is in the shade Strike Gold. So this is what it looks like. So I'm assuming this is just like a glittery lip product. It says it's a sheer lip gloss infused with shimmering glitter and delivers a luscious, multi-dimensional, and high shine finish. It retails for $20. And I actually don't think I'm going to open this one up either because this just isn't really my color. Like a gold lip isn't for me, so I'm actually going to throw this in the giveaway as well so that one of you guys can use it. I just don't want to open things that and swatch things that I know that I'm not going to use because then I can't give it away to somebody who's actually going to use it. So I'm going to hold on to this again for you guys. The next thing I'm pulling out looks like a little bag. So yeah, it's a little bag. Is there something in here? It says Glam AF on the front. So you got like a little bag inside here, and then this, I don't know what this is. Oh, it's like a charger. Is it a charger? That's interesting. Sweet. Well, there you go. You got a little portable charger, and that can be nice for traveling as well. So it's a wristlet and a portable charger. It retails for $22. And so there you go. You got a little bag that you can throw makeup in. You got your portable charger for on the go. Sweet. It's a fun little item. Okay, the next thing, this is the Wander Beauty Wanderous Dusk to Dawn Blush and Highlighter Palette. I think I saw this as a sneak peek, and I don't completely remember what it looks like on the inside. I'm not sure if I liked it from what I remember, but these are pretty colors. So this is what it looks like on the inside. The blush colors are actually really pretty, and the highlight is really pretty, but I just don't see myself using it. I feel like it's one of those things that is going to just sit in my drawer and never get used. And I have so much already that I just don't want to keep things that aren't going to get used. So I think, again, I am going to throw this in the giveaway at the end of the video. It does retail for $26, so that is pretty nice as well. So I am going to throw that in the giveaway for you guys. And then I think the last thing in here, which I knew was going to be in here, and I'm actually super excited. So this is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette, and I've never tried a Violet Voss eyeshadow palette before, and I was actually looking at getting one when there was the Sephora 20% off sale, but I didn't end up picking one up. I had to convince myself not to, so I'm actually happy that I didn't grab one because now I got one in here and I'm really excited. Ooh, this is really pretty. I'm so excited. This is just like a very neutral palette, but I just really like it. You got your browns and pinks right here. You got some golds, you got an orange, some highlight shades. I just really like this. I feel like this could be used for a really nice everyday. You could use it to glam it up for the holidays. It's got a ginormous mirror in here that is really nice. You can see like your whole face. So I'm actually super excited. It does retail for $45, so I'm excited, you guys. I cannot wait to get into this. I am like, woohoo! I'm really excited. Okay, so now that was it. I'm gonna go through the retail value and add them all up. So my retail value came out to $386, which is crazy. That's so much considering, again, I only paid $50 for this. I mean, alone, the palette was worth it to me. I mean, $45. It's like $5 less than what I paid. That Luxie brush set was like $65, so it's more than what I paid altogether. It's just, I'm really excited. So I'm loving what I got. Again, these 3 items will be in the giveaway. So let me know your guys' thoughts on the box in the comments down below. I want to hear what you guys think about it. And if you got the Boxyluxe box this month, did you get the same things as I did, or did you get something different? I want to know in the comments down below. So let me get to the giveaway items really quick before I end this video. Okay, so the things that I am giving away, like I said, it's nothing like huge, but I thought it would be fun to start doing little giveaways. The first thing that is in there is this Nude Sticks. It's a 3-piece mini gel lip color and cheek balm set, and it has my favorite color in here, the J Mama shade. It's my favorite. I told you guys about it. I mean, it's been in several of my videos. I absolutely love it. So it comes with J Mama, Crave, and Babe. So you can kind of see the shades on the side right there, but I just think it's so cute. And this packaging is freaking adorable. So it just comes in this little tin. You get your 3 little lipstick sets here, and then you also get a sharpener to go with it. So I thought this was super cute. I love the color J Mama. Again, it's like my favorite everyday nude kind of color. So I thought when I saw this, I was like, okay, I have to get it and throw it in a giveaway because I absolutely love this shade. So this will be in the giveaway. I also picked up the Becca Glow On Trio. It's the Blush and Glow. So it comes with the Becca First Light Priming Filter. And you guys know that I also really like this one. I love it so much. And then it also comes with the Luminous Blush Camellia in it, and then the pressed highlight in Moonstone. So it's just a little mini set. I also really like this. So I've actually never tried a Becca blush before, but I love their highlights. So I thought this would be really fun. And like I said, I love the First Light Priming Filter. So I thought it would be fun to give somebody else a chance to try it. I'm also going to throw in a couple of these lip masks. I have gotten these in several of my boxes and I actually really like them. So I had a ton, so I figured I would throw it in a giveaway for you guys as well. I'm also going to throw in this 3-piece Luxie brush set. It comes with 3 brushes, and then, like I said, just the things from this box, the Wander Beauty Dusk to Dawn palette, the Tarte lip gloss paint, shimmering lip paint, and then the Lorac mascara. So that's what's going to be in this giveaway. I may throw a couple extra other little goodies in there for you guys, but I will have all the rules in the description box below. I'll have the link to enter the giveaway down there, and the time frame and everything like that will be in the description box below. So just click in the description box and follow the rules in there. And then once the giveaway is closed, I will put in the description box and in the title that the giveaway has been closed. So yeah, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to enter in my giveaway and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.